Cheers, baby.
Hotty, hotty.
Yes, my sugar pie.
Okay, you sent for me.
Aha. What do you mean? Go down the street. There is a chemist down there. Buy me 2 packs of Durex.
Sir?
Who? You were ear problem. Orini. I said buy me Durex. Osinho.
Sorry, sir. What do you say I should buy? Is it medicine?
I said buy me Durex.
Durex. Okay, sir.
Should I write it like Durex? Durex!
Sir, what is it used for?
Get out of this place, Orini.
Baby, stop.
Tolo. I've never seen a poor man that has Tozo.
Just let him be. But you know what amazes me? The way he said he's your elder brother.
He is my elder brother, battery.
How? Battery? How?
-1.
Oh my goodness.
-1.
That's why he's looking like a puff.
Orini now.
See his body, everything like burger. Baby, please don't allow him to spoil our mood.
That's what's up.
You know what? Let's drink up. So that once he's here, I will go and give it to you from the back, behind, bent, you know?
Yeah, Arise. What do you mean he's into girls? God forbid, my son will not catch AIDS. But what are you doing there as an elder brother? You don't know that you're supposed to guide his footsteps. You're supposed to do your duty as an elder brother. If he's going wrong, you correct him. What do you expect me to do from here? Okay, he does not listen to you, he will listen to me. Is that what you think? Fear that you are his gate man in that compound does not mean that you should not correct him when he is wrong. If he's doing the wrong thing, correct him. It doesn't have any relevance with what you do in his house or whatever. Just correct him. Arise. Stop calling me. Correct your brother. Stop calling me. What is wrong with you? You're supposed to take your duty seriously as an elder brother. If he goes wrong, you correct him. Why are you calling me on the phone? I'm begging. That does of my son is doing too much. Mama, you're welcome. Hey, there's something I've been contemplating, and I need to talk to you about it so you can help me take a solid decision.
I hope
all is well. I think it's high time I got my son married.
Ha! Did you have his approval on that?
His approval. Approval indeed. Do I need his approval? Norma, you need to see the number of girls my son is rolling with in that city. Do you know the number of cheap girls that are throwing themselves at my son in the city? You're talking about approval.
Yeah.
He will never.
I heard it though. I heard that a lot is happening in that city. It's you.
You didn't hear well. You need to see for yourself. I went to the city and saw it koro with my eyes. Dozie will kill himself if I don't get a wife for him. If you see Mpeke, fine girls that don't have value for themselves.
Hey.
They don't have value for themselves. They throw themselves at men like very cheap girls. So when you have such cheap articles around you, will you talk about settling down?
You have a very good point here, but Is it not better you allow him make a choice of wife he wants to marry? Go ahead, take him up and wife. Eh? Let him make his choice.
Norma, have you been listening to me?
I am listening.
You're not listening. If you are listening, you understand that when you have cheap girls around you throwing themselves at you, you won't talk about getting married. If you leave those days, from now till eternity, he will never make a choice of a wife. Because that is why I invited you.
I want the city girls. Anya na chafoko.
Crazy.
Anya ga pium 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 pium.
The reason I invited you here is to help me and Anya Luga carry me. You're more cool-headed than I am. Please, find me a decent girl from a decent home. We have a wedding to plan.
So well done. I will do that for you. City girls. Anya na chafoko.
Ah, with the pepper skirt, honey. You see the skirt? Half naked, half naked.
Who is there?
Wait,
Yeah, how are you?
fine.
Give me Dunamis.
Dunamis?
Yes.
Dunamis is a church. It has nothing to do with a drug.
Why are people calling this thing church? It's not church. My brother said I should come to chemist's shop and buy him Dunamis. And you're telling me it's church.
Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about. Dunamis is supposed to be a church. Yes.
Dunamis. Isn't it what do something? Yes, now. Do.
The only thing that starts with do here is Durex. That's condom for sex.
Hey. All these children are who spoil. Where am I then?
Excuse me, I'm the owner of this shop.
You're not of this shop.
Yes.
Is this a chemist or provision store?
It's none of your business.
I don't know why you cannot have ordinary Dunamis. And you're telling me that Dunamis is, you have Durex, that is condom. See where your mind go. I'm looking for Dunamis, and you're telling me Durex. So if I buy the condom, I will use that on you, Abi.
Dunamis is a church. So
Abi, where is your mother?
I am the owner of this shop, okay?
Durex, condom. No, nah. My brother cannot send me to go and buy condom. No, it's not possible. I mean, what is wrong with all these children? I asked you for Dunamis. First thing that came to your mind is condom. When you go to market, ask them where. How can we stop? Don't know anything.
Look at that motherfucker uniform.
Guy over there.
Yes. That's the guy I've been waiting for.
Okay.
That's the Zero brother.
Okay.
We have so many answers to our question. I need him. Go get him.
Okay, boss.
Without cash, you are on your own. With money, you go build empire.
Sir, I forgot the name.
You forgot the name of what I sent you to buy. Is something wrong with your retentive memory? Like at your age and stage, you cannot buy something.
So look at the name, they sound.
Keep on eating -1 of them. Are you sick? What's your problem? So you cannot go down there and buy something. I said Durex. D-U-R-E-X.
Durex.
Baby, you know what? Just relax. I will go by myself and get the condom. You don't have to worry.
No, you're my visitor.
Wait, na condom?
Yes.
Hey, that chemist woman said this, you know. Do you know the woman told me it's condom that is used for sex? I said no. How can my junior brother send me to, my oga send me to go and buy condom? No, now. Hi. Okay, but you make mistake. If you tell me say I go circle or maybe kiss, that do my now. I would have. I would have. Sorry. Now that I know, let me go and buy it.
Oh my God, I know how you feel. This your brother? He's not used to modern facilities. So just take it easy with him. Little by little, he will understand everything, please.
I didn't want to tell you what I will tell you now before your girl. But Oga, I think you're in trouble.
It is your forefathers that are in trouble. Stop getting on my nerves. You bought condom for me. That means I've been busy. So let me rest.
By the time I finish telling you what I want to tell you now, we will know whether it is the condom you'll be worried about or something else. I saw Okoisi. And he told me everything. Yes, he told me everything that transpired between the two of you. How you made your first fast money. No, I've seen it now. Mr. Hardworker. Well done.
Are you for real?
I'm for fake. In fact, you know, you're even lucky. Just one thing made me change my mind because he pressured me to give him your address. But for some reason, I did not do that.
He must not do that. On no account, no matter what, he must not know where I stay.
No.
Please.
I will. Yes. Since I came here, since I started living with you, have you been treating me well? No, I'm begging. Since I'm going to Gateman, I sent me to the gate.
Listen, blood is thicker than water. You must not tell him my whereabouts, okay?
Blood is thicker than water. When they go involved, forget blood and thicker than water. Now water can be thicker than blood. They go involved. I will collect money and tell him where you are.
If you tell him where I stay, he will hurt me. Don't you understand?
Have you not been hurting me since I came here? No, check in here now. You have been hurting me. So,
this is internal hurt. Please, don't give him my address, okay?
Oh, babe. Baby. Baby. Baby, is everything all right? Since you finished having a conversation with your brother, you haven't been yourself. What's the matter?
It's nothing.
It's nothing. And you're this worried. How can you say it's nothing?
I need to be left alone.
I don't understand. Baby, I'm your woman. I should know when my man is happy or not, so you can share everything with me.
Excuse me.
Really? Wow. Okay. If you say so, I'll be inside. Just try and cheer up, okay?
I thought I ended that bastard's life. How did he survive? Shit. I'm serious. What do I do now?
Hello, my guy. What's up? My guy, can you imagine? I just discovered that this motherfucker is in this town. Huh? He's in this town spending my money, the money that he stole from me. Imagine the impetus. Huh? Look at somebody that I brought to Toronto to show him the way. And the only way that he could pay me back is to steal my money. Look at somebody that I brought to Toronto, and the only way that he will pay me back is to take my money. Eh? These boys stole my money. And he's in this town spending my money anyhow with some girls and all that shit. But not to worry. I'll stop at nothing but to get him. My boys have eyes on him. I beat my chest. I'm going to get him. And I will deal with him decisively. He doesn't know who he's dealing with. You know, when a child spits on the air, it falls back at him and thereby defiles his face.
I betrayed him. I took his money. I thought he was dead. I never knew he was going to come back. It all happened in Toronto.
You get mind. Jose, you get mind. Okosi is our townsman, our brother. Yet you get mind chopping money.
I'm sorry.
Let me tell you sorry. No, I'm telling the wrong person. You should look for Okosi. If I were you, I would just go and submit myself to Okosi and tell him sorry, apologize to him. Because even if I don't tell him where you're staying, that man that I saw will track you.
That means I'm going to jail.
Okaroma, it's not better you go to jail peacefully than he comes here with his talks, he tell you go before you go to jail. It's better for you. And if you dey go jail, my brother, you know, all these things you have, I will advise you will them to me. You understand? Not that I'm wishing you not come back, but in case anything happens to you inside jail there, at least your money no go lost.
Yes, you have a point. Yes, I'll transfer everything I have into your account so that I will tell Okosisi that the money, something happened to the money. If he sees my account, he sees that my accounts are empty, he will believe me. So first thing tomorrow morning, we are going to the bank. I will open an account with your name and transfer money into it, okay?
I think it's a good idea. You're smart. You're a good one.
Baby, I don't get it. What do you mean by I should leave your house? To where exactly?
I'm traveling. So go, pack your things and go.
You're traveling? Traveling to where?
I'm going on a vacation, like a business trip.
Fine, I can come along with you.
As what?
You're a woman.
No, I can't travel with you. You're not my wife. Pack your things and leave. Simple.
Baby, what are you saying?
Stop questioning me.
I don't like the way you speak to me sometimes. I don't like it. Why are you talking to me like that? I'm your woman.
You don't get family members. You don't get why they banish you. My friend, go back. I'm traveling.
I'm not going back to my people. I'm going with you.
Where are you going with the bag?
I'm leaving town.
I thought you said he'll be tracking you.
Yes. I don't want him to clamp down on me. So for safety, I'm leaving, okay? On no account will you tell anybody that I traveled. Please. Once the heat is over, I will come back so that you can transfer the money. In fact, I might not even come. I will call you so that you transfer back the money I sent into your account. Biko.
No problem.
Remember, no matter who is asking, you don't know my whereabouts.
No problem. Brother. Brother. The world is mine. This life, no hurry in life. So, where are the girls? The pretty girls. I used to work with them and they work it.
Ego ji olu onye nwe ego nwe surname okwi manega amaka onye nwe ego nwe surname ego ji olu onye nwe ego nwe surname ego yibo onye nwe ego nwe surname ijide kasha malugi iputa no boys oye mmemme without cash you are on your own no ega amaka ijide kasha malugi Iputa no boys oye mmemme without cash you are on your own no ega ego jolu onye wego we sone ego ibo onye wego we sone jide kasha malugi iputano boy so ye meme without cash you are on your own.
It is obvious that if Okosi lays his hand on my brother, he's going to kill. What do I do? No, I won't let that happen because that is definitely going to break my mother's heart. What do I do now? I'm going to make a report to the police.
I know you'll be wondering how I was able to track you down. You think I'll let your brother go out of the willingness of my heart? No, I wouldn't going to do that. I was going to kill him, but he promised to deliver you to me, which he did.
I'm sorry. Biko.
Listen, Doze, I'm not here to bargain words with you. And what I need is very simple. My money.
Please. We are brothers. I don't have this money. I was duped. I can give you my phone. Check my account balance. I don't have cash.
Doze, it is not a request. It's an order. I'm not your brother. If I was your brother, I wouldn't have run away with my money. I brought you to Toronto to show you the way. And you wanted to play smart on me.
Oh, necessary.
And you're here calling me a brother. I'm going to kill you if you don't give me my money. I'm not joking with you. You think I'm joking?
You've got me a bit. If I have this money, I'll give it to you. But I don't have it. You don't have money.
Because I need my money. So if you don't give me my money, I'm going to do something stupid. And you won't like it. I'm not your brother. I need my money!
Hold it there! Freeze!
Let me be the victim. What is happening here?
I said freeze! Drop that weapon! I said drop it!
I'm be the victim, sir. I mean they kidnap. How about that?
What is happening here?
Na me, oh. Na me be the victim, oh. Na me they kidnap. Na me be the victim. Na me. Save me first.
Officer, Sergeant. Sergeant! Sergeant. Sergeant.
Get up.
Collect his phone. Collect that phone. Ready the phone. Move them.
I don't want to go. Move. Na me be the victim.
I said move.
Move. Na me they kidnap. They kidnap me. My bag there for there. Move. Na them. See the organ here.
Move. Move.
Thank you, Jesus.
Somebody, I will blow your phone. Move.
Let me the organ.
Move.
So my bag there.
Move.
I told them.
I said move. Move.
Mama, if you see the kind of enjoyment your boy they enjoy now, eh? Yeah, this one passed lottery visa. Which lottery visa, Mama? Come on. Let's just say that God has smiled on your son. If I had to go, Mama, I could go no also the phenomenon. Mama, now what for you? Who is dossier? Dozie afa mmadụ ka afa bụ usu. Kenke bụ Dozie na akakọ Dozie. Focus on your son of me na akakọ Dozie. Who is Dozie? Nah, mama man, concentrate. I know more for ma. Yes, you see, I will tell you more when you come to Lagos. Yes. If I'm when at Lagos, Ebaka. Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. If I go, go. If I batago. Ah, mama. Hey, what I meant to add, man.
Ego, Ibo. Ego, Diolu. Okwe manega maka.
Move! Sorry, sir. They kidnapped me, I told them. This one is the organ. He's into drugs abroad. He's even mixing it with Yahoo. I'm telling you.
Move!
Arinze.
Yeah.
Your brother has just been arrested alongside his business partner, Okoisi.
Really? I'm so happy.
You are happy that your brother is in police custody?
I'm happy because the man that wanted to kill my brother will not succeed.
Oh, yes. But your brother is facing money laundering charges, and you'll be needing a good lawyer for him not to go to jail.
So how is that my business? My brother should get himself a lawyer.
How can you do that while in the police custody? He said you should see him immediately. That you have the money in which we will use to get him a good lawyer.
I should see him immediately. Yes. As in his houseboy. No, I want to understand. Besides, did he even give me any money?
Excuse me?
Did he give me any money? Oga, listen. I don't want to see your frustrated face in my compound anymore. Okay? If I see you here again, I'll get you arrested. And I'm not missing words.
Arinze.
Get out. Yeah, and the reason I brought you here is because you're one of the prettiest girls my brother was pulling out with. And I also want to inform you that this house does not belong to him anymore. This is now my house.
Oh my goodness. Hello.
Hi.
Are you dreaming? Like in your dreams?
Really? You think I'm joking?
Yes, of course you're joking. How do you mean this house belongs to you and not your brother? Come on, wake up. Wake up.
Okay, I'll say it one more time. This house, not just the house, with everything inside, belong to me. And I'm not joking.
Please stop this joke.
You doubt me, right?
Of course I doubt you.
Get out of my house. Get out from this place. Think I have that time?
Oh.
No, I don't have that time. Since you don't believe me, leave and don't come back.
Calm down. Eh? We're not quarreling. You know, I'm just trying to, understand that, absorb that you own this place. Your brother used to own this place. Okay, if you now own this place, where is your brother?
If you ask me that question one more time, I will eject you from this compound. If you ask me that question one more time, you will not enter that gate again. You will tell me if you have come here to enjoy my money or you've come here to inquire about my useless brother.
Why are you not saying like this? Why are you talking like this? See, forget this my accent though that I'm doing Onyocha. It's just packaging. Everything is packaged. See, let me tell you, who no like better thing? I like better thing. If you give me money, I'll go shop am. Look at me now. Learn what I killing. Just let go do what I killing now. What you go do? You go goli. I am ready. I am ready to eat the money. Just bring it. Give it to me.
All over you.
Yes.
Looking at why do you see?
Hey now. Anna Meli Kelly.
You give head.
Hi. See, if I give you head here, you will just be screaming.
If you do it to 500,000.
Is it getting?
Yes.
Let's start now.
You know 1 million.
And I'm at 1 million.
1 million naira.
This is your bed, you go just full na. Let's start now. Let's start now. Pino mo. Kedevenge.
Mama, this one you came unannounced. I hope all is well. You didn't even call me.
So I'm supposed to call you before coming to my son's house, oh yeah?
Mama, this is 21st century. You don't just go to people's house without calling them on the phone. That's what you should do. Come on, simple courtesy.
Where's my son? I have been trying to call him on the phone and he's not picking. His number is switched off. Where's my son?
That's because he made an emergency travel. And as it stands, I don't know when he's coming back.
What do you mean by that?
No what?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm a village mama. Yes?
I don't know what you're saying. See, the reason I'm here is that I brought this beautiful girl. Her name is Mma. See, endowment. A beautiful girl endowed naturally. I brought her for Dozie to marry her. Eh? Dozie has to marry a wife from the village.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that's why you're here.
Yes, where is Dozie? Biko, where is he?
Leave Dozie. I'm the one in charge now. Dozie is out of the question. The guy you're looking at now is in charge of everything happening in this house.
You're in charge? Hey, look at how you're dressed like a big man. You're supposed to be at the gate, not dressed like this.
Mama, leave that. If you're here, truly, like if the reason you brought her is for my younger brother to marry her, right? Oh, yeah. Good, there's a lot of job for you to do because I just had a party last night with some beautiful girls. So you need to go inside there and start by tidying the house, okay? Clean it up. I hope you're coming from village, so you will walk. So go inside, drop your bag, and then start tidying the whole place, okay?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Are you deaf? Didn't you hear what I said? I said I brought this girl for Dozie to marry her, not to become a house help. Come.
Hey.
Don't mind him.
Well, if that's not the reason you brought her, then you have to take her home. Yes, now.
Arinze.
Yes.
Arinze.
Mama.
Arinze, do you know the difference between a wife and a maid?
The most important thing there is that she's a woman, right? And if she wants to be a wife, she should start working. Let's even know if she's fit for the job.
It's one way. Don't mind him. Open this up, please. Let me go inside.
Which door? Our village, but champion in our village, you go. This is a village champion now. Come on, she should even pass for house help.
Are is the one? Open this door. Let me go inside and wait for my son. He has to come back and take this girl. I don't want to miss this girl. You have to find diamonds.
Son, I will go couple.
What? Open this door. 1, 2. Come.
Thank you. You can welcome bloom. Yeah, Mama. Don't worry. You have to start going then. I'll see you, eh? But you see, you would have taken this girl along with you instead of leaving her behind. Especially now that my brother is not around.
Is your brother gone forever? Well,
something close to that.
Arinze, is there something you're not telling me? Where is my son? Where is Dozie? Huh?
Well, there's a problem. At the same time, not really a big problem. Okay? He just needed to step out for a while. And then he'll come back later. But not very soon.
Oh, she says it's not a big problem. Anyway, I am going to leave this girl with you here. I want you to take care of that girl like your brother's wife. Well,
Mama, I will take care of her as one of my brother's properties.
What?
Yeah.
Property?
Mm-hmm.
That girl is not a property.
Mama,
she is a wife.
Mama, that thing I'm seeing there is a full property. Full-time property.
Shut up and listen to your mother. That girl is not a property. Is your brother's wife.
Mama,
That's what she is.
I'll see you later. Let me go start the work. Since obviously you don't want me to take care of her like a property, let me go and take care of her like my brother's wife.
Okay, your brother's wife.
Yes,
Take care of her as Munye Dozie, not Munye Gio. I know you.
Oh my God, don't worry. I will talk to you, okay?
I'll call you from time to time to know whether he's back. Oh.
That's fine. No problem. So, I want you to tidy up this place, okay?
Okay, sir.
At least you have respect. Meanwhile, in the meantime, you will be serving in this house as a maid, pending when your supposed husband comes back.
Sir, as a maid, I'm not going to this house to do maid now.
As what?
As housewife.
Whose wife? Wait, if I toast you, like I see you on the road and say, I want to marry you, you accept it?
I know.
Come on, sit up, try to Otondo. Uzwike. See, for now, you are a house help. You'll be serving as a house help, okay? You cannot do that, then you go home. There's no vacancy for wife in this house. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Before I'm gone. Come on, you'll be serving here like as a maid till your husband returns. Yeah?
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. When he returns, you'll know what to do. You'll have to send you back to the village. I can tell you. Go to work. Get to work and get that water.
Yes, sir.
You're more bogus. Yeah, it seems you're making something very, very.
Yes, sir.
Oh, really? You must be a very good cook.
Yes, my mom owns a restaurant in the village.
Your mom owns a restaurant in the village. No wonder. No wonder. Whoever is making this thing must be grounded. Eh? Hey. You see, I've been looking for a way to employ a cook, a good cook that will be befitting for a big man like me. Eh? And God just sent you on a platter. On Weibo Kalwaka. Eh?
Okay, sir.
So how soon will the food ready?
Yeah, very soon. I will soon serve it.
I can't wait.
I know. You will like it.
You need to serve this big man.
No, sir. Let me go check on it.
Okay.
Kashi, you are on your own.
Hey. Okomari kana woli si ewa biko. Eh? Kaya bojuka mmadu ukwu amu. Ogene. Inya.
Baby, stop doing this. Oh my God.
Stop now. How was your trip to Abuja?
Baby, my trip was awesome. You know, I'll be traveling this weekend.
Again?
Yes, baby. I decided to come and spend some time with you. You know, I've missed my man. Come here, baby. Give me some sugar.
I've missed you too.
I missed you more. So, how have you been?
Just there, you know, missing you all this while because I've always wanted to have this sugar right here. Hey, Chidek, 1 million.
Baby, you know now, eh?
Yeah. Thank you very much, Ma.
You're welcome, sir.
So,
You know, it's alright. You know, I can't wait to show you the new style. I love it.
Sir, is there anything else you want me to do for you?
oh no, nothing. I'm fine.
Okay,
Oh, please come. Yes, I want something.
What do you want?
I want boiled egg, like 5 pieces. And I want shawarma. I want salad with chicken.
You see, shawarma. I can't make it. I can't.
Go get it. Come on, go and buy it.
Okay. Money, sir.
You know where to get money. What's your problem?
Okay, sir.
Baby, who is that thing?
That's the woman my mother brought for my brother to marry.
You mean your mom brought that old cargo for your brother to marry?
You see, the problem you guys were having is you see my brother like a flyers guy. No, he's such a local champion. This is what he deserves.
Okuku Igbo now.
My brother was Oku Igbo, Makano Diego.
Hey!
Oku Igbo, one day.
Baby, please. Forget about her. Baby, come. Come and use it under your pillow.
Hey!
Baby!
The reason I let you in here is because you dated my brother in the past. But that's in the past though. Because my brother is also in the past. I am the future, I am the present, I am everything. So it's either you deal with it, or you can use that door and don't come back.
I must say I am surprised because your brother never told me about it before. But it's all cool. I am game.
Yeah.
I am here for the money.
Of course, because I have money. And I have it there now. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you care so much about a maid? Or you guys are having a thing privately?
Who are you? My wife? Or my mother? I mean, how dare you ask a grown man such a stupid question?
I am sorry about that.
You should be. Well, for your information, she's my friend. And she lives in my house. So it is my duty to care about her welfare.
Oh, now I get it. It's okay, I'm sorry about that.
Fine.
So tell me, what happened to your brother, Jose?
What happens to greedy men and cheats? That's what happened to him. You told me he left you for another man.
Yes.
And that broke your heart?
Of course.
And that's because you were thinking he was a gentleman.
Yeah.
You trusted him. Well, it might interest you to know that I am not a gentleman. I'm even worse than him.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So, if you're here for the money, enjoy yourself, you have fun, what does it matter? This life is an endeavor. An endeavor. You cannot finish it. Mm-hmm. You don't look happy. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine. It's just that since I came to this place, I came to marry your brother, but your brother is not around. I used to see you and those girls. used to enter the room every now and then in the night. And I'll be hearing, hey, it used to disturb me. I can't even sleep at night.
Wait. If I get what you're saying right, you feel honey, right? We turn you on.
I don't know what that word is, but what I know is that I feel lonely and I catch cold at night. And my body, I don't know what is wrong with me.
Say no more. Come here. Come on. So what, in other words, what you're trying to say is that you want closure. Okay. You want closure. I've been meaning to tell you this, but since you have said it, it is done.
Are you serious?
Now you can enjoy me like every other girl.
Can we go inside?
Inside? What do you do inside now? I don't feel anybody. Come, we can take one here. You know doggy, right?
Yes.
Ew. Hey! Jesus say. Sandra, what did I tell you at the time interview? I told you that I'm not a gentleman. Did I not?
Is that why you're going for an ordinary mate?
You shut up your mouth, how dare you? Who are you? To dictate who I pull with. Who are you? I told you that girl is my friend. Wait, I am not going to have a problem with you.
Having a problem with me, how?
It's a question. Am I going to have a problem with you?
No.
Fine. Then stay out of my way and mind your business. Wait for your turn. When I call you that I need you, you come. No vis-a-vis, only head vis-a-vis. When I need a head, I call you. Come on, give me a head. Look at your mouth. So how was it?
It was succulent. It was sweet. It was everything. I enjoyed it.
No. Since we are shouting, even if we're there for market, I'm sure all my neighbors will say, what's happening? Are you killing that girl?
You reached me then, Shat. Do you know what you carry?
Whatever I carry is not the problem. Do you hear yourself?
Because what I felt inside of
Instead of
no, you are wrong. What I felt inside of me looks like it was choking.
Anyways, go and make something for me to eat.
Oh no.
Yes.
I thought we should one more round now. Yes.
Did anybody tell you how much on the social media?
No, I've not had enough. Yes. Come on now. I've not had enough. One more round. Yes. Okay, don't worry, I'll jump top. Let me come.
Hey. You don't have the right, no survive. You want done top. Sandra.
Yeah?
How far?
I'm good. Are you done with her?
Yes. Sharp one. It's your turn. Let's go. Let's go inside.
You see, I am not ready to sleep now.
I don't understand. Who is talking about sleep? Have you come here to sleep? Come, let's go inside. Let me go give you 1 or 2 rounds. I say more sleep. Who are talking about sleep?
I am not in the mood now. I have a movie I'm watching tonight.
Really? You see the problem with you girls? When they give you allowance, you need to look for allowance. They give you a handshake, you go for a hug. Just because I press your neck small, you don't dey form. You're not forming my girlfriend, I'll be my wife, or I'll be waiting. You see, I don't like this energy. So first thing tomorrow morning, take your things and get out of my house. I don't want to see you again.
No, don't do this, please. Abrinze, it's okay.
Relax, I don't have that kind of time.
No, wait. I didn't mean it. I am sorry. I am sorry. You know I like you so much.
Come and give me something to do love. You and me do love. Osita, whatever you call you, I did not call you here because I like you. No. I invited you because I have a business to do with you. I don't know if you're interested.
Why not? As long as the pay involved is good. I actually don't do business with friendship. Once the money involved is okay, I'm in.
Exactly. That's the spirit I was actually looking for. You see, you and I know that my brother, who was your friend, is not coming out anytime soon.
I know, and it's a pity.
But you know what? I don't care. Oh yes, I don't care because his absence is in my favor. There's a girl I want you to track for me. I will pay whatever it takes, as long as you get the job done, since you know your whereabouts in this town very well.
Who is she? Any pictures?
I'll give you all the details. You don't have a problem. Just get the work done. And you'll smile.
Out. Excuse me.
Leave this kitchen. I want to prepare food for my man.
I don't get it. And I'm also preparing food for my brother-in-law.
Really?
Yes.
I want to prepare food for my brother-in-law. Your brother-in-law you shamelessly slept with.
And how is that your business?
It is my business.
Really?
How dare you speak to me in that manner? You stupid.
And how dare you talk to me in that
Have
manner?
you lost it? Next time you speak to me this way,
and what will
you
happen?
see what I'll do to you.
You can't do nothing.
Give me that knife.
My friends,
see, leave this kitchen.
Respect yourself.
Leave this kitchen.
I'm holding knife. Oh.
Drop this knife.
I am holding knife.
Drop this knife.
You better respect yourself.
Drop this knife now. Drop the knife. Leave this kitchen now. Drop that knife. Drop it. Drop it. Leave this kitchen. Leave this kitchen. Idiots. Honey dog. Get out. Idiots. I don't blame you now. Both of us when they drag the same prick. See finish, don't enter them. Fool. Next time you will try this, you will see true color of Sandra. Hey.
Mama. What are you doing here? I thought you should be making my food back now.
She sent me out of the kitchen.
Who did?
That wicked lady, of course.
Are you serious?
Yes. Baby.
Yes.
Your food is ready.
Can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes?
Pack your things this minute and leave my house and do not return. Shut up! How dare you? Jesus! How dare you? Are you stupid?
Jeez.
Are you stupid? You asking me a question? You had the guts to lay your stupid crocodile fingers on my girl? Are you stupid?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Idiot. No, tell me why you did that. No, I want to know. Am I married to you? Am I your husband?
No.
No. So what gave you the guts? What gave you the guts to chase Ma out of my own kitchen?
I'm sorry.
No, listen. I am tired of seeing your frustrated witchcraft face in my house. Leave here this minute. Now, pack your things.
Please, just forgive me. I'm sorry.
You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking?
No.
You think I'm joking? No. Yeah? You think I'm joking? You think I'm joking, Abby?
No.
You think I'm joking, Abby?
Oh my God.
You must be the new maid. Please help me with my bag.
Hello. Hey, come back here. I am not the maid. And who are you, please?
I should be asking you that question. Who are you?
Are you going to answer me who you are, or you want me to push you out of this house? Huh?
Push me out?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. This way is Arinze. Arinze! My bag! Silly bitch. Arinze! 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 Can you imagine? I met a certain lady at the gate and she said she's not your house help. Who is she?
You mean Ma?
I don't know her name. Is that her name? Who is she?
Well, she's not my housemaid, per se.
Per se? Then who is she?
Well, it does not matter.
No, it does matter. She disrespected me. Yeah, she did. I thought you said you don't have a woman in your life. What's going on?
Well, I do not have a woman in my life. Well, come to think of it, did you come for her? Or did you come for me?
It's just that
I said forget about her and focus on me. Okay? And look at me. I'm the man of the moment. So, what did you get for me?
Well, I got myself and more. Meanwhile, baby, thank you for the money and the flight tickets.
Well, that's because I know what I want. And I know you're not going to disappoint.
Nebe Kwano, you know me. Let's go. Let me go and show you.
Let's go finish it up inside.
Of course.
Okay, man. Walk back.
Let's go.
Hey. So how'd you go?
I don't locate her.
Really?
Yes. I think she's a married woman now. I saw she and her husband in a mini restaurant.
Mini restaurant?
Yes. Mini restaurant.
Well, you've done a good job. Okay? Yeah, can I have the location?
Yes, I think it's in my car. I'll get it for you.
What am I? Please go and get me something to eat. I'm talking to you. Get me something to eat.
I don't understand. Is that why you have to switch off the TV?
And who the hell are you to question me?
Please, don't you ever try this again.
Will you shut up your stinking dirty mouth? Are you normal? Is this your house? Are you not the house help? Get me something to eat, my friend. What's wrong with you?
I should get you food. As your house or what?
Of course you're the house.
Who the hell are you?
Shut up! Who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you?
Get me something to eat.
Hunger
What
will
rubbish?
beat you for this house.
Arinze! What kind of rubbish
which human being is this? Arise! Where did you get this nonsense girl from? Stupid! Arise! I don't know, different species, different girls. Arise! You two do.
Thank God you're awake, baby. This Ashawo is not going to sleep on this bed. You're trying me. I'll show you in pieces. This Ashawo is not going to sleep on this bed. This time, it's my turn.
Which turn?
It's my turn, baby.
Son, baby. See, baby. Adima si Chineke nyere m aka na onye ngeti. See, forget how they speak spray. Nchejeruga.
If I leave my hand on your face, if I leave my hand on your face, you will not see you. If I leave my hand on your face, I know what I'm saying.
Try it.
This bitch is not
try it. Let me show you. Look at this thing.
What do you want?
Ha! See, present yourself. Baby!
You be like say you don't even know.
Baby!
I don't know.